Hello everyone, this is Daniel Dunn with a video of the room situation. I am currently in the upstairs of the house on the corner across the street from St. Vincent's. Have the whole upper floor to myself. They were thinking about giving me this room, but well, while the view nah. Yeah. And more importantly, yeah. Yeah, best they didn't give me this room. So we go down the long hallway. Love that wood paneling. Reminds me of my grandparents' house. My bathroom. And now the room itself. I just got everything upstairs yesterday, so it's still a little bit boxified. But the view is much better. So we've got St. Vincent de Paul's Church over there. The rectory is over there. Like I said, the school's over there, and the old Notre Dame High School is way over there. Got my desk here, my chair, got my picture from my parents here, my clothes hanging, my other lovely view. From here you can see the hospital and the 5G phone tower. Woo! And again, St. Vincent. Got my bed, my usual sleepy stuff, and that's about it. Nice and roomy. Well, y'all have a good day. Take care.